While using YouTube like you are using now, you too have noticed difference in mobile app of YouTube that it has got new video resolutions. So let's begin. As you can see the screen right now I have to play one video and I will play this. Now I will pause this, and when you click on this three dot menu option, you will see that everything is similar, but things got changed when you click on this quality. As you can see, now there are four options: auto, high picture quality, data saver, and advanced. Now this first option is similar as previous one, which is auto, in which quality of video depends on your internet connection. That means good internet connection will provide video in high resolution and poor internet connection will provide video in lower resolution so as to provide uninterrupted video. Now the second option is high picture quality, in which video will be played in high resolutions irrespective to the speed of internet connection. That means if you have poor signal strength of internet, the video will do buffering if you're playing it in this setting. Now this third option is data saver. This term is quite self-explanatory from its name. In this setting, video will be played in lower resolution to save the internet data. This setting is good for poor signal strength. And meanwhile, if you want to learn about data saving mode, you can check the I button or description box. Last one is advanced, which is similar as previous times. You click the quality option. From here you can manually set the value of resolution for the video which you are playing. If you too have noticed that every time you click the next video, the quality of video remains auto. And now you have to click on top right corner and go to settings button. Now you have to click on video quality preferences. Here you can choose the video quality on mobile network and on Wi-Fi network too. Both mobile internet and Wi-Fi options provide three options: auto, which will provide resolution according to internet speed; high picture quality, which provide high resolution irrespective to internet speed; and data saver, which provide low resolution. So this was all about the new resolution setting of app which is providing global connection for us.